Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a collaboration video with a company, and this is my first time to collab with a company, and the name of the company is Jeulia. So this jewelry company reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in doing a collaboration with them. And so I checked out their website, jeulia.com, and it looked like they had some really pretty things. So they told me I could choose one piece of jewelry to do a honest review, and that's what we're doing today. And this all comes just in time to celebrate their 5-year anniversary. So they're having a sale. They have given me a discount code, and so we will open up this box together and I will give you my honest review on this piece of jewelry. I would like to say that recently, since my channel has been growing quite a bit, I have been getting some offers to do collaborations with different companies, and I want to be very particular with who I collaborate with, because if I don't love, you know, the item and I don't believe in it, I don't really want to offer it to my subscribers. But I looked on the website and they have a beautiful website, jeulia.com. So they have some really pretty things, and the prices seem to be very reasonable. And it seems like they, I think that they really specialize in like wedding sets. Not, you know, like they also have some moissanite, but I think man-made stones, wedding sets, and engagement rings and things like that. But they have all kinds of jewelry. They have jewelry for men, and they have a very lovely website. So once I checked out the website, I said, yes, I will collaborate with you. And so I chose a piece of jewelry. Now I opened it out of the box that it was shipped in, but we're going to look at this together and see what I chose. So first of all, the box is okay. I mean, it's just a box, but what's important is what's inside. But they have a really pretty, I think, logo. So it says Jeulia Premium Artisan Jewelry. Okay, and so I'm going to open this box. And the first thing I see, they have put a catalog on top. So that's nice. A Jeulia catalog. They have, you know, necklaces, rings. I even noticed on the website you can design your own pieces, which I find very interesting. So they have collections and all kinds of jewelry. So, so you get this. Then behind that is their return and exchange policy, which I think that's great. And there's a gift bag with the name of the company. So if say your husband or boyfriend or significant other were to purchase this as a gift, it comes with you know, a nice bag to put it in. And here is the piece. It's a box nested inside another box. So let's just pull that out together. Okay, so it's a nice box. It feels kind of velvety, so that feels really nice. So far so good. And I'm going to open it up. Okay, well, I chose a tennis bracelet, and I'm not crazy about the way that it's packaged. It's in like a little Ziploc baggie. So, you know, my first impression is if Keith were to have purchased this for me for my birthday, and I opened it up and saw that, I just feel like no matter what's inside that baggie, that cheapens it. So I'm not crazy about this, but let's reach in here. So it's just laying in there, and pull this little baggie out and have a look at the bracelet. And I chose a tennis bracelet, and it's called the Majestic tennis bracelet, and they have other styles, but this one is emerald cut. So I'll pull it out of this little baggie. And it's sterling silver with these really pretty shimmering stones. Okay. And I looked on the website to see what kind of stones these are, and it just says Jeulia stones. Now they do have some other stones, you know, with other jewelry, some moissanite, and I think man-made stones, but whatever a Jeulia stone is, that's what this is. And it's set inside sterling silver. So I think it's really pretty. It's very sparkly, and it has this little bead here that you pull down. It feels nice. It's a very pretty bracelet. Now I noticed on the website that this particular bracelet was close to $300. I feel like that's quite a hefty price tag, but it is very pretty. But right now they are offering, you know, 15% off. But it's very, very pretty, and I really like the emerald cut stones. I think it's a very pretty piece. So, you know, just looking at it, I'm very impressed. I think it's very pretty, very sparkly, and very well made. But they have lots of items to choose from, and some things are a little more expensive and some aren't. But I do feel that $270 might be a little bit steep, but it is a very, very pretty bracelet. It's really pretty next to my rings, and I will enjoy wearing it. And it feels nice. I mean, it has a nice feel to it. It feels expensive. So let me get it on and show you. So yeah, I really like it. I love this style. But like I said, if you check out their website, you'll see that they have all kinds of jewelry to choose from. And like I said, you can even design your own pieces. They have all kinds of stones and wedding sets, engagement rings, and I have often thought about getting a wedding set to wear when we travel and just leaving my real rings at home. So, you know, if you're interested in something like that, they have some beautiful sets. So, yeah, my opinion on this bracelet, I'm happy with it. I'm pleased with it. I do feel that the price tag is a bit steep for what it is, and I don't like this. I think it would be much nicer, because if it were a special occasion, if I were getting this for my birthday and I pull it out of this little baggie, that just is a little disappointing. But all in all, I think that it's a lovely bracelet. I'm really happy that they reached out to me, and I am definitely going to go on their website. And I saw some earrings that I thought was really pretty, so I will list the discount codes below in the description box if you are interested. And yeah, so I think it's a really nice piece, a nice jewelry company, and you know, maybe you will find something that you like, because it's really nice quality. It really is. You know, the packaging could use a little work, but it's nice quality. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the website, jeulia.com, and they are having a sale, so maybe you'll find something pretty, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.